The U.S. military drone, past, present, future. Introduction. The evolution of U.S. military drones reflects a significant shift in warfare strategy, technology, and ethics. From their early inception in the early 20th century to their current extensive use in various combat scenarios and surveillance operations, drones have transformed the landscape of modern warfare. This report delves into the historical development of military drones, their current capabilities and future prospects, emphasizing their role in shaping military operations and raising ethical considerations. The past, early developments. The Kettering Bug and early concepts. The journey of military drones began in 1917 with the development of the Kettering Bug, an early prototype of an unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV). Designed as a fully automated bomb, the Kettering Bug aimed to reduce American troop casualties by utilizing machines in combat. Although the technology was rudimentary and largely unsuccessful, it marked the initial intent to integrate drones into military strategy. The Vietnam War and the Lightning Bug. The Vietnam War marked a pivotal moment for drone technology. The U.S. military deployed the Ryan aeronautical Lightning Bug, an unmanned reconnaissance drone, to conduct aerial surveillance missions over enemy territory. Despite its limitations, such as a high crash rate, the Lightning Bug provided invaluable intelligence without risking pilot lives. Over 3,400 missions were flown, showcasing the potential of drones in reconnaissance roles. The Predator, a new era of warfare. The introduction of the RQ-1 Predator in the 1990s represented a major leap forward in drone capabilities. Initially deployed in Bosnia, the Predator became synonymous with modern drone warfare, combining surveillance and strike capabilities. The Predator's ability to conduct targeted strikes with precision changed the dynamics of military engagement and paved the way for more advanced UAVs. The present, current capabilities and uses. Expanded roles in modern warfare. Today, the U.S. military employs a diverse array of drones for multiple roles, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and direct strikes. The MQ-9 Reaper, for example, is extensively used for targeted strikes against high-value targets. Drones have become integral to counter-terrorism operations, providing real-time intelligence and the ability to engage enemies without deploying ground troops. Technological advancements. Advancements in drone technology have enhanced their capabilities significantly. Modern military drones are equipped with sophisticated sensors, improved stealth features, and advanced navigation systems, enabling them to operate effectively in contested environments. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) is also transforming drone operations, allowing for autonomous navigation and target identification. Ethical and legal considerations. Despite their advantages, the use of drones has raised significant ethical and legal issues. The civilian casualties resulting from drone strikes, particularly in regions like Pakistan and Yemen, have sparked widespread criticism and debate. The lack of accountability and transparency in drone warfare has led to calls for stricter regulations and oversight. The future, trends and predictions. Automation and artificial intelligence. The future of military drones is likely to be heavily influenced by advancements in AI and automation. Autonomous drones capable of making decisions without human intervention could redefine warfare, increasing operational efficiency and reducing the risk to human lives. However, this raises ethical questions about the delegation of life and death decisions to machines. Swarming technology. Swarming technology, where multiple drones operate in coordinated groups, is an emerging trend in military drone development. This capability could enhance surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat effectiveness, allowing for complex operations that overwhelm adversaries. The U.S. military is actively exploring swarm tactics to improve battlefield effectiveness. Counter-drone technologies. As drone usage increases, so does the need for effective counter-drone technologies. The U.S. military is investing in systems to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones, ensuring that its airspace remains secure. This arms race between drone capabilities and countermeasures will shape the future of aerial combat. Global implications. The proliferation of drone technology is not limited to the US. Many countries are developing or acquiring their own UAVs, leading to concerns about arms races and the potential for drone warfare to escalate conflicts. As drones become more accessible, the international community must address the regulatory and ethical challenges posed by their widespread use. Conclusion. The evolution of U.S. military drones from their inception in the early 20th century to their current role as pivotal components of military strategy illustrates a significant transformation in warfare. While drones offer numerous advantages, including reduced risk to personnel and enhanced operational capabilities, they also present complex ethical and legal challenges. The future of military drones will likely be shaped by technological advancements, increased automation, and the need for effective regulatory frameworks to address the implications of their use. Balancing the benefits of drone technology with the ethical considerations it entails will be crucial as the landscape of warfare continues to evolve. The evolution of U.S. military drones reveals a counterintuitive trajectory in their development and deployment. While one might assume that the advancement of drone technology would lead to more precise and humane warfare, the realities of their use have often contradicted this expectation. 1. Initial intent versus reality. The initial development of drones such as the Kettering Bug in 1917 aimed to reduce human casualties by replacing pilots with automated systems. However, early prototypes demonstrated poor reliability, creating a disconnect between the intention to safeguard lives and the practical outcomes of drone technology. This highlights a counterintuitive aspect of military innovation. The promise of safety through technology does not always manifest in practice. 2. Escalation of civilian casualties. The use of drones for targeted strikes, particularly in the War on Terror, was anticipated to minimize harm to civilians by allowing for precise targeting from a distance. Yet numerous reports and incidents such as the 2010 drone strike in Pakistan that killed civilians revealed that the reliance on drone warfare has often led to significant collateral damage. This paradox reflects a broader issue in modern warfare where the perceived precision of drones may lead to a lax attitude toward their deployment, ultimately resulting in increased civilian casualties. 3. The rise of non-state actors. The Ukrainian conflict exemplifies a counterintuitive shift in drone warfare dynamics. While traditionally drones were the exclusive domain of state militaries, the conflict has seen non-state actors effectively leveraging consumer-grade drones to create innovative combat solutions. This development challenges the notion that only advanced military technology can dominate the battlefield, showing that grassroots ingenuity can level the playing field. 4. Technological dependency and vulnerability. As drones become more autonomous and integrated into military operations, the reliance on sophisticated technology raises concerns about vulnerability to electronic warfare. While the introduction of AI into drone operations is seen as a way to enhance capabilities, it also introduces new risks. The assumption that AI will make drones invulnerable is countered by the reality that adversaries can develop countermeasures, leading to an arms race in drone technology that may not necessarily result in a net gain in security. 5. Public perception and ethical dilemmas. The perception of drones as clean warfare instruments has led to ethical dilemmas. The remoteness of drone operations can create a psychological disconnect between military actions and their consequences, leading to a desensitization towards the use of lethal force. This disconnect challenges the assumption that technology can make warfare more humane, as the realities of drone strikes often reveal a stark contrast to the public's perception of their use. 6. Impact on military strategy. The increasing deployment of drones, particularly in Ukraine, has shifted traditional military strategies. Instead of relying solely on large, expensive military systems, the focus has moved towards smaller, more attritable drones. This paradigm shift contradicts the expectation that militaries would prioritize technological superiority over cost-effectiveness. highlighting a growing trend towards asymmetrical warfare that emphasizes agility and adaptability. In summary, while the development of military drones was intended to create safer and more effective means of conducting warfare, the realities of their use have often contradicted these expectations. The complexities surrounding civilian casualties, the rise of non-state actors, technological vulnerabilities, and ethical dilemmas illustrate the counterintuitive nature of drone warfare, necessitating a re-evaluation of their role in modern military strategy. Report on the U.S. military drone, past, present, future. The development of military drones in the United States has been a complex journey marked by technological advancements, ethical dilemmas, and a transformative impact on warfare. While many aspects of this evolution are well documented, there are significant details often overlooked that bear considerable importance. 1. Early intentions and innovations. One of the most significant yet overlooked aspects of drone development is the initial intention behind their creation. Drones were conceived as a means to reduce human casualties in warfare. The Kettering Bug, developed during World War I, was one of the earliest attempts to automate warfare. Although it was largely ineffective, the underlying philosophy of sacrificing machines instead of human lives has been a driving force behind military drone innovation ever since. This intention reflects a persistent desire to minimize the risks associated with human pilots and soldiers on the battlefield. 2. The Vietnam War and tactical evolution. The historical context of the Vietnam War is vital to understanding the advancement of drone technology. The deployment of the Lightning Bug drones for reconnaissance marked a significant tactical shift in military operations. While they were not perfect and often faced reliability issues, these drones played a crucial role in intelligence gathering without risking lives. They were used extensively, conducting over 3,000 missions, and their introduction revealed the necessity of unmanned systems in modern warfare. The significance here lies in recognizing that even flawed technologies can lead to substantial strategic advantages. The Vietnam experience set the stage for the future of drone warfare, demonstrating that drones could provide critical intelligence and operate in hostile environments without endangering pilots. 3. The Predator era and ethical implications. The introduction of the Predator drone in the 1990s marked a turning point in military operations, as it was the first UAV capable of armed strikes. This era brought about significant ethical concerns, particularly regarding civilian casualties. The use of drones for targeted strikes has been a contentious issue, with incidents such as the 2010 drone attack in Pakistan resulting in civilian deaths, leading to widespread criticism. What is often overlooked is the psychological impact of drone strikes on both the operators and the local populations. The concept of war by remote control creates a disconnect that can diminish the perceived consequences of military actions, leading to a normalization of violence that can have long-term repercussions on international relations and public perception of the United States. 4. The Ukraine conflict and tactical adaptation. The recent conflict in Ukraine has underscored the evolving role of drones in modern warfare. Ukrainian forces leveraged commercial drones, often modified for military use, to gain a tactical advantage over Russian forces. This underscores an important trend: the democratization of drone technology. The significance of this development cannot be overstated. It highlights how non-state actors and smaller nations can utilize accessible technology to level the playing field against larger military powers. The rapid adaptation and innovation by Ukrainian forces serve as a testament to the potential of grassroots technological solutions in warfare, showcasing a shift from traditional large-scale military operations to more agile tech-driven strategies. 5. The future, AI and autonomous systems. Looking forward, the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into drone technology represents a crucial frontier. AI capabilities can enhance decision-making processes, allowing drones to operate independently in complex environments. The potential for AI to disrupt traditional military strategies is significant, it raises questions about accountability, the ethics of autonomous warfare, and the implications of machines making life and death decisions without human intervention. A critical point often overlooked in this context is the need for robust ethical frameworks and regulations governing the use of AI in military applications. As autonomous systems become more prevalent, the risks associated with their deployment, such as unintended escalations in conflict, must be carefully managed. 6. Regulatory and legal challenges. As drone technology continues to evolve, regulatory challenges also emerge. The U.S. military's efforts to develop sense-and-avoid systems for UAVs to safely share airspace with commercial aircraft highlight ongoing concerns about safety and air traffic management. The significance of these advancements is often understated. They not only affect military operations but also have broader implications for civil aviation and public safety. Balancing military needs with civilian airspace management will be crucial as drones become more integrated into everyday air traffic. 7. The global arms race and proliferation. The proliferation of drone technology is an essential consideration for global security. As nations and non-state actors gain access to increasingly sophisticated UAVs, the potential for asymmetric warfare and new forms of conflict emerges. This raises critical concerns about arms control and international regulations governing drone use. The overlooked significance here lies in understanding that drone technology has the potential to disrupt traditional military hierarchies. The accessibility of drones allows smaller states or non-state actors to challenge established military powers, fundamentally altering the dynamics of international conflict. Conclusion. The evolution of military drones in the U.S. reflects a complex interplay of technological innovation, strategic necessity, and ethical dilemmas. While many narratives focus on the successes and capabilities of drones, it is imperative to consider the nuances and implications that often go unnoticed. Recognizing the historical context, ethical considerations, and future challenges associated with drone warfare is crucial as we navigate an increasingly complex and technologically driven battlefield landscape. As drones continue to shape modern warfare, a comprehensive understanding of their past, present, and future will be essential for policymakers, military strategists, and society at large. 1. Historical evolution of military drones. The development of U.S. military drones can be traced back to the Kettering Bug in 1917, illustrating a long-standing intention to reduce human casualties in warfare through automation. Key milestones include the deployment of the lightning bug during the Vietnam War, which revolutionized aerial reconnaissance, and the subsequent refinement of drone technology leading to the Predator and Reaper drones. Understanding this historical context is crucial for appreciating how past innovations and failures have shaped current drone capabilities and strategies. 2. The role of drones in modern warfare. Drones have become integral to military operations, particularly in counter-terrorism and surveillance. Their ability to conduct precise strikes while minimizing risks to personnel has changed the dynamics of conflict. However, their use has raised significant ethical concerns, particularly regarding civilian casualties and the psychological impact on communities living under drone surveillance. Discussing the balance between operational efficiency and ethical considerations is essential for a comprehensive understanding of the implications of drone warfare. 3. Technological advancements and future prospects. The incorporation of artificial intelligence (AI) into drone systems is poised to transform military operations further. AI could enable drones to operate autonomously, making real-time decisions without human input, which may enhance their effectiveness but also complicate accountability in warfare. As the technological landscape evolves, the potential for swarming tactics, advanced sensors, and enhanced data processing capabilities will redefine how drones are deployed in future conflicts. Analyzing these advancements is critical for anticipating the future of military engagements. For geopolitical implications and new frontiers, the recent conflict in Ukraine has highlighted the role of drones in modern warfare, particularly in asymmetric conflicts where smaller Technologically adept forces can leverage drones to counter larger military powers. Ukraine's rapid development of drone technology in response to the Russian invasion showcases the democratization of drone warfare, where non-state actors and smaller nations can effectively utilize commercially available drones for military purposes. This shift raises important questions about the future of warfare, international norms, and the implications of widespread drone technology for global security dynamics. Engaging in a discussion about these geopolitical implications is vital for understanding the future landscape of military conflicts. 1. The Vietnam War and the use of the Lightning Bug drones. 1964 to 1975. During the Vietnam War, the U.S. military deployed the Ryan Firebee drones, also known as the Lightning Bug, for reconnaissance missions. These drones were designed to gather intelligence over enemy territory without risking the lives of pilots. Despite initial challenges and a high rate of loss, the Lightning Bug program ultimately conducted over 3,400 missions, playing a crucial role in aerial reconnaissance and setting the stage for future drone technology. 2. The U-2 incident. 1960. The U-2 incident involved the shooting down of an American U-2 spy plane piloted by France's Gary Powers over Soviet territory. This event highlighted the risks associated with manned reconnaissance missions and underscored the need for unmanned aerial vehicles. In response, the U.S. military accelerated the development of drone technology to mitigate the risks of pilot capture and to enhance aerial surveillance capabilities. 3. The rise of drone warfare in the War on Terror. Post 9/11. Following the September 11 attacks, the U.S. military significantly increased its reliance on drone strikes as a means of combating terrorism. The Predator drone in particular became a symbol of modern warfare, enabling targeted strikes against high-value targets while minimizing American military casualties. This shift raised ethical and legal questions regarding civilian casualties and the implications of remote warfare. Future outlook. Predictions for the U.S. military drone landscape. The trajectory of U.S. military drone technology suggests a transformative future shaped by advanced capabilities, ethical considerations, and operational paradigms. As we look toward 2025 and beyond, several key predictions emerge regarding the evolution of military drones. 1. Increased autonomy through AI integration. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into military drones will redefine their operational capabilities. Future drones are expected to possess enhanced autonomous navigation and decision-making abilities, allowing them to execute missions without direct human oversight. This autonomy will be crucial in complex dynamic battlefield environments, enabling drones to adapt to changing conditions, identify targets, and respond to threats in real time. The development of AI capabilities that allow drones to operate independently will likely lead to a significant shift in military tactics and strategy. 2. Enhanced networking and swarm technologies. Future military drones will increasingly utilize networking technologies to operate as cohesive units or swarms. This will allow multiple drones to communicate, share data, and coordinate actions seamlessly, significantly amplifying their effectiveness in surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. Swarm technologies will enable the simultaneous deployment of numerous drones, overwhelming enemy defenses and enhancing situational awareness on the battlefield. 3. Continued ethical and legal challenges. As drone capabilities expand, so too will the ethical and legal implications surrounding their use. The potential for autonomous drones to make life-and-death decisions raises profound moral questions. The U.S. military will need to navigate the complexities of accountability, civilian casualties, and international law in drone warfare. Balancing technological advancement with ethical considerations will be paramount as public scrutiny and advocacy for drone regulations intensify. 4. Evolving counter-drone technologies. With the proliferation of military drones, adversaries will invest in counter-drone technologies designed to neutralize or disrupt unmanned aerial systems. This arms race will see advancements in electronic warfare, cyber capabilities, and kinetic systems aimed at detecting and destroying drones. Future military strategies will incorporate counter-drone measures as essential components of air defense, necessitating continuous innovation in both offensive and defensive drone technologies. 5. Integration with other emerging technologies. The future of military drones will be characterized by their integration with other cutting-edge technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, blockchain, and augmented reality (AR). This convergence will enhance data sharing, security, and operational efficiency. For example, drones equipped with IoT sensors could gather and relay real-time battlefield information, while AR could assist operators in visualizing drone feeds and situational data for improved decision-making. 6. Increased role in asymmetric warfare. As seen in recent conflicts such as the ongoing war in Ukraine, drones will play a pivotal role in asymmetric warfare, allowing smaller nations or non-state actors to challenge larger military forces effectively. The accessibility of commercial drone technology will empower a wider range of actors to engage in drone warfare, complicating traditional military strategies and requiring the U.S. to adapt its approaches to counter these threats. 7. Focus on sustainability and cost-effectiveness. As military budgets tighten, there will be a growing emphasis on sustainability and cost-effectiveness in drone operations. Future drone designs will prioritize fuel efficiency, longer operational ranges, and lower maintenance costs. This focus will drive innovations in materials and propulsion systems such as hybrid electric engines and lightweight composites, allowing military drones to operate more economically while maintaining high performance. 8. Global competition for drone supremacy. The race for drone supremacy will escalate globally as nations recognize the strategic advantages of unmanned systems. Countries like China, Russia, and Israel are already investing heavily in drone technology. The U.S. will need to maintain its competitive edge by accelerating research and development efforts, fostering partnerships with private industry, and enhancing collaboration with allied nations to share drone technologies and tactics. Conclusion. In summary, the future of U.S. military drones promises unprecedented advancements driven by AI, networking technologies, and integration with other emerging systems. However, these advancements will come with significant ethical, legal, and operational challenges that must be addressed as the landscape of warfare continues to evolve. The U.S. military's approach to drone technology will be crucial in maintaining strategic advantages while navigating the complexities of modern conflict. The next decade will be pivotal in shaping how drones are utilized on the battlefield, influencing military strategies and redefining the nature of warfare itself.